Hey guys, Amanda Bryan here. I wanted to share a great meditation that is perfect for beginners. It's great for any level of meditator, and it's especially perfect for those who are just starting out. And when they hear the word meditation, they get overwhelmed or they get intimidated. So, this is a meditation that is called Don't Meditate. So first, get into a comfortable seated position. You can sit cross-legged in half lotus on the floor if you'd like. You can sit in a chair with your back up against a wall, whatever feels good for you. If it feels better to have your legs extended out in front of you, go for that. If you want to sit on a cushion or a folded up blanket so that the hips are up a little bit, the pelvis is up a little bit, and the knees point down, that's also a great way to sit if you're going to be sitting for a while. We're only doing these meditations for 3 minutes. And as always, you're the best teacher in the room. So if at any point you need to stop or whatever, be kind to yourself. So the first thing that we are going to do, come to a comfortable seated position and shut down your eyes. And the hands rest on the knees. And without any judgment, without any expectations, first observe your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies. Notice where you're holding on to any tension or tightness. Observe the quality of your breath. Notice what your clothing feels like against your body without any judgment. Notice all the spaces that your body makes contact with: the earth, the mat, your prop. Shifting that awareness inward. Notice if you're feeling happy or sad, anxious or calm, frustrated or joyous. Maybe you're a combination of things. Maybe you have no idea how you're doing, and that's fine too. And notice that breath. Notice if you're using the full capacity of your lungs or if that breath is restricted to the upper chest. Again, we're not changing anything. We're not judging. We're not even making any excuses. We're simply observing. And we take a few moments to call all pieces of ourselves into the now. All the parts of us that are in the past and in the future, to be here in this now moment in the present. Good. And then gently opening up your eyes. So the mudra for this, and mudra is simply hand yoga, and why we do certain meditations or change our bodies to meditate is that we change the flow of energy in our bodies by physically changing our bodies. So you're going to bring your wrists together, the pinkies touch, and the thumbs come together. So it's like you're making a flower. And so the arms are going to be up at 90 degrees, and you can bring the thumbs to touch the third eye just to make sure that they're lifted enough, and then bring them out in front of you. So the arms have a nice 90-degree bend. Shut down the eyes and don't meditate. So don't keep thinking, and I will be timing us. So think about your day, think about your to-do list, think about your evening plans, what you're gonna eat for breakfast or dinner. Think about good things, think about things that are bothering you. There's no limits. So just don't not think. That's the only rules. Jaw is soft, shoulders draw down away from the ears, fingers are spread wide. Breath is natural. And your arms may get tired, and that's okay. A lot of times what will happen is that your ego will speak through your body and say, I don't like this, I'm tired, I'm uncomfortable. You're stronger than you think though. So if you can, of course, if you have any burning or numbness or tingling, that's your body letting you know a nerve is compromised. But otherwise, if it's just, I can't do this, I don't want to do this, I'm uncomfortable, remember, growth is beyond comfort. So we're not here forever. You're stronger than you think. You have under a minute left. Keep thinking. Don't let that mind settle. If you want, you can think about how tired your arms are. That's fine too. Keep thinking. About 15 seconds left. Keep those elbows lifted. Keep those fingers spread wide. Keep thinking. Good. Take a nice long, deep inhale through your nose. Holding your breath up at the top. Spread those fingers wide. And as you exhale, float the hands down. Bring them to the knees. Keep the eyes closed. And observe whatever space you've created. Notice the flow of any energy in your body that has shifted. Observe the breath. Gathering the hands together in prayer position so that the thumb rests at the breastbone. Bowing the face slightly towards the fingertips, giving yourself gratitude for taking the time to not meditate, taking the time for you, reminding ourselves that we can never pour from an empty cup. And it's always self-care and not selfish to fill our cups so that we can best fulfill our duties and care for others. I wish you all peace and presence. The light in me sees and honors that big, beautiful, bright light in you. Namaste. Thank you guys so much for not meditating with me. I'm anxious to know how this affected you, so feel free to post a comment below and let me know. Enjoy.